वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप सिखाता हूँ किस तरह हम मार्केट से एक टॉप ट्रेडिंग प्रोडक्ट उठाते हैं, इस पर हम फर्दर इन्वेस्ट करते हैं। इस प्रोडक्ट में प्राइस क्या है, प्रॉफिट मार्जिन कितना है, कौन कौन से स्टोर पर ये प्रोडक्ट सेल करते हैं, कौन कौन से मार्केट प्लेस पे प्रोडक्ट सेल होते हैं। तो हम इसके लिए एक टूल यूज करते हैं, इसको कहते हैं अकाउंट। So let's get started in the computer skill how to do this process. So this is the best tool we use for our product set. This one is a cape. Hey, the selling price of the product is 24.99 and profit cost 2.84. So wow, it's amazing. The product cost is 2.84 and selling price in 24.99. Profit margin 22.50 is the profit margin. So online situation where this product sells is AliExpress. AliExpress is a B2B marketplace, so Amazon is a B2C marketplace. Hey, 55 seller sell this product, and eBay is a 43 sellers sell this product, and even in Shopify is a 5 sellers sell this product, and Shopify is only as Walmart. 32 sellers sell this product in Walmart, and even a seller is a Temu. So 5 Shopify store is this product is United States, 3 is United States, one is Japan, and another one is Australia. So product market average cost. So AliExpress 2 and 2 4 and Temu 7 is 0 and EB is 4 and other is 12. So now we explore and see on AliExpress this product price. So click this on AliExpress. So that takes some time to show its real data about this product price. So this product price is a wow 22 2.74 2.74 this product price, and even as a free shipping in some country in some state in your state. So if the product selling price in 24.99 and the product cost 2.84 and profit margin here is 22.15. Now if you look here is product price is 2.74 and here is the 2.84. So they are high, some higher from AliExpress. So now we discuss another product. Hey, reusable diamond wow scribble cloth 10 pieces. So the product selling price is the 12.99 is product cost is 1.12 profit margin. It's 11.87. So actually its online situation is the AliExpress only has a 12. I think this product in Amazon is a 120 series still this product and even as a EB and Shopify and Temu. So if you look at the Shopify store, this one, so in United States, one is Arab Emirates and another one is Pakistan. One is Pakistan. Wow, very good. So if your product market average cost is 1 to 3 and 4 to 4, this is the average cost of the market. So if you look, see on this product price, another price AliExpress, so yeah, this is a 20 pieces. This is the original price of AliExpress is 0.99 and if you look here as a product 1.12. So this is really high. It's high. So the original price is 0.99. Very good. If you sell this product in Amazon, Walmart, and even in Shopify, so very good. You can hardly sell some seller in Shopify, the four store poor seller sell this product on Shopify. So you want to say, and even it says Pakistan. So if you look is the third one product, so the anti-thief crossback. Wow. The selling price is 35.99. Product cost is 5.3. Wow. It's a 30.87% profit margin. So if you look at the online situation is a Temu and AliExpress, Amazon, wow, it's a very high situation and very high competition. And Amazon 1 to 12 started to sell this product. Now is the EB and even in Shopify. So remember, we sell this product on high. If we make high profit margin, we need to sell this product in Shopify store because if you look at this five store, say this product in Shopify store, United States, Australia, and New Zealand. So the product average cost is 11 to 30. If you look at original product cost in AliExpress, so now that is wow 6.87 is the product original cost in AliExpress. So now 43% review also giving its review. This product is very good. So after years of 5.12, so there is some issue in this product. So AX 6.87 now is a 5.12. So this is the way you can find a top 10 product in the market to sell by your eBay. If you already link your Shopify store, hey, sell with Shopify. So directly let's click this link, green link in this product already list in your Shopify store. So this is the easy way we can find a top trading product in the market and sell by your store or your client store. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज लाइक और सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मिलते हैं एक वीडियो के साथ।